morning! I have my morning coffee, and Cole has been out today already exploring, and he has something to show you.
I caught a huge snail, and now I've made a little home for him.
No, don't put him on the rug.
Oh my god, he looks so nasty right now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
my
huge.
angle. Oh my god. Nasty!
Nasty. Oh, brother. So we're getting ready now. We're gonna go
Lahooey, baby.
Well, yeah, we're gonna go to Lahooey later, but a couple of us are going to the grocery store, and a couple of us are staying here. Who's gonna babysit Joey?
Wait, it's not like I'm
No!
Yeah, Cole, you're going with us to the grocery store.
No!
Yeah,
because mommy needs
you have to pick out your own goggles. We need your help.
No.
You're gonna go with me and your mom.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet Paige could.
No, Paige has a tummy ache. She doesn't want to go.
Yeah, no, she could babysit.
Oh yeah, Paige would love to babysit.
Yeah, because I'm doing all fronts.
Can you take that leaf with you?
Oh yeah. Your leaf you leave behind.
No leaf left behind. Okay, bye, buddy.
Bye. Oh. Hey, Paige.
So cute. You want to say anything to
I don't like snails.
Please say a name for the phone.
Brian. Brian.
Brian Foster.
Guys, the more you talk, the worse it is.
It's gonna come up.
Shh, everybody quiet, please. This is where I
It's too long. Please say a name for the phone.
Brian. Brian.
It's too long. Please say a name for the phone.
Brian. Brian. Brian.
Is this correct? Say yes or no.
Yes.
What are you gonna get?
So, I don't know. Hello, we are in Kauai, and it's lunchtime. We're getting some lunch at Bubba's, waiting in line. And so, there's a question going around. What is Cammy eating?
Okay, not really. But yeah, so we're reading the menu.
I don't know.
We have our Bubba burgers.
Yeah. Trying to make it a little less gluteus.
Yeah, Cammy and I are both removing the top bun to try and have less gluten. Because we were gonna get salads, but then we thought, YOLO, let's have some 100% grass-fed Kauai beef burgers.
Exactly.
So let's do this. Here's the rest of the family. They're cute. Okay, bye.
Hello. We are on our way to the Hyatt. It's quite the Hyatt. We're gonna swim a giant pool.
We've been walking forever. We had our wristbands and our tubes. We're gonna go find a spot.
That's on your phone.
I hope he flips out of it. Yes! How was it? Was that relaxing? You hate hammocks? That was good.
Yeah.
I think it was only his pride that was hurt.
Close your butt. Hammocks make you fart.
Oh my god. That was awesome.
I can't handle things too. Just in case you were wondering what that was my dad tripping. You might like,
Do a reenactment, please.
here, let me show you how it's done.
You're making fun of us.
Thank you very much. That was my reenactment for today.
I hope they both flip out of this.
But I think they have it too.
Oh my gosh.
Stand up.
Well, that's not going to end well.
That is
He hits his head.
I will laugh and then check for brain damage.
I see what your priorities are.
Yeah, I do
You
too.
can help us. You're helping us.
Pizza night!
Gluten
Got this gluten-free. What's on it? Meat? Bacon?
I don't know. I think it's sausage.
Sausage? Paige got
Mystery
a little
meat.
cheese piece. Cole got a
Another
cheese
cheese
piece.
piece.
And I got a gluten-free Hawaiian pizza because, I mean, we're in Hawaii, so
Yeah.
why not? But parents are gone, so
Party like it's 1983.
we're just partying like it's 1983.
It should be 1999 or the year 2000 because that makes sense.
Okay, so we're gonna party like it's the year 2000, and yeah, we're just having pizza.
Song.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hello. I realized that we didn't do a new house tour when we moved into our new house.
Oh, condo.
Yeah, condo. So we're gonna give you a little tour right now. I'm standing at the front door. This is the front door. This is Cole and pizza. Cammy's over there. This is the living room. It's great. Cammy's doing homework. I was working on editing right there. Here's the kitchen. Very quaint. Oh, burping, excuse me. Very little, but very nice. We got lots of food, lots of bananas. Lots of stuff in here.
Banana.
Oh my gosh, I have the hiccups now. Fabulous. Don't mock me. Okay, look at this view though. Our new balcony is amazing. Yeah, the ocean breeze is better than air conditioning. But this is our balcony and our view. That's the ocean over there. This is our pool. Oh, these darned hiccups. So this is our table. This is Paige's bed that it rolls out right here and she gets to sleep by these windows with the ocean breeze and everything. And the sound of the ocean, it's awesome. Then over this way is the girls' bedroom. Well, my bedroom. I sleep here. Uncle Brian cleaned the towels and left them on my bed, which is awesome. This is Cammy's bed, which is going to be Cole's bed tonight, actually. Because to keep things fair, we're like switching through beds and stuff. And since Aunt Donnie and Uncle Brian are gone tonight, Cole's going to sleep here. And Camden and Paige are going to share their bed. So that's awesome. Are you excited to have a sleepover with me? Mm-hmm. We're going to be roommates. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, this is my room that I share with different roommates. This is our bathroom. Hello, this is me. This is our toilet over here in the corner. This is our shower. Just a little stand-in shower. Lovely, lovely.
And this is
more pizza. Here we have laundry. This is the bathroom door. This is, I think, just a closet. Oh, does this open? Oh, it has a lock on it. Okay, that doesn't open.
Because it's in the bathroom, so I locked it.
No, it's this one on this side.
Yeah, it's still from the bathroom. I locked it from the inside so that we don't have people.
No, this is not the bathroom. There's not a bathroom right here.
Oh, that side.
Okay, this is the master bedroom. This is the master bathroom. I don't know where the light is. Oh. Okay, so this is this. Oh, they got robes here too. This is their little toilet thing in the shower in there. Oh, wait, this looks cool.
Yeah.
It's got those cool like tile things.
That's what I was telling you about how cool the shower was.
Yeah, this is fancy. You guys got a fancy shower. And then over here, Paige is sleeping, I think. Oh no, she's awake. Here's Paige in the master bedroom. You look so tiny in that big bed. And this is their, oh wow, look at this TV. This is great. This is really big. Love it. Look at it. It's like, yeah.
It's like an iPad.
Why is this wet?
Because it rains.
Right now?
No.
Oh.
Earlier in the day.
Oh. Okay, yeah, that's their view. It's the same view, but yeah. Here's another bed. This was Cole's bed last night when the parents were in this bed, then he was in this bed. And there's little Gigi. She's not feeling so well today. But yeah, that's it. Oh, these blasted hiccups. Okay, we're still doing homework. Still doing homework. But yeah, that's our house tour.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. You get 2 house tours since we lived in 2 houses so far. And
Lucky ducky.
yeah, lucky ducky. But anyway, yeah, bye.
Bye.
We're pathetic. Okay, it is 8:08. We're supposed to be having a party since the parents are gone.
Yeah, we're going to bed.
And we're gonna go to bed. So we're exhausted. It was a
Yeah.
fun day.
Yeah, very fun.
But we're ready to apparently we're ready for a snack.
Mhm.
And then bed.
Yeah.
The 2 kids are already asleep. I think, let's go see, maybe Cole's not asleep yet.
No, he's fresh throated.
Say goodnight.
Nighty night.
Shelby. Shelby, say goodnight.
Night.
Good night.
Bye. Wait. Bye.
Oh. Sleep good, buddy.
Oh, yeah. We'll make some more videos tomorrow.
Yes, we will. Good night.
Oh, and Emily,
Yeah.
do you think you can somehow like? Oh yeah. Oh, sorry, that made sense. Question's over.
Okay, good night. Love you.
Night. Night. Now watch me rap. Let me